But
and be like, oh, we'll be like, oh, what's
well, because the Fight Club is done in different part of the store.
Oh, right.
Like they still have like the regular part of the store open for business. So. Well, they have two boxes. Hey,
So big.
Hey, Max.
What's up? Sorry, I'm just hugging the.
They have 2 boxes in there picked up. The 2 I posted last.
Oh,
week.
really?
And they should have molten paste. I can't guarantee it, but a lot of their stuff is tried before you buy. So.
Yeah, we
you
definitely
haven't
need to go
tasted
too.
enough Nobletons today. Although interestingly enough, the 2 bottles are both